Hi everyone, I'm TheGeronsins. Welcome to 6391 Fairlynn Blvd in the beautiful city of Yorba Linda. I'm so excited to share this home with you today. Not only does this home have an expansive front yard space set back from the street and a big grassy lawn in front, but out the back you have enormous grounds that are so difficult to find today. And not only that, you've got such a functional floor plan that just brings this home all together into the perfect package. Please come on in, let me share with you. As you enter through the double doors, you're going to immediately be taken aback by just this enormous view of the backyard, city lights, through the wall of glass into the great room concept living area. You've got the living room that's flanked by built-ins on either side, open to the dining area, again with built-ins and a desk space. Open to this great kitchen with a butcher block center island. You have a wine cooler, and all just with tremendous visibility to the rear yard and views. So on this level, you have the option to go downstairs or upstairs with just one flight of stairs. You have a very generously sized family room downstairs, which really could be a great bonus room, game room, media area, or just totally casual space to live in, and maybe your main level is a more formal attire. And one of the really great things is you have access to the rear grounds by both the main level and by the lower level. So it really makes entertaining or enjoying the outdoors so accessible from both areas of the home. You also have a main floor bedroom on this level, which is a great size main floor bedroom. You have access to a 3/4 bath as well. And then your laundry and into your garage. So as you head upstairs, up the top of the hallway, if you go right, you have 2 secondary bedrooms with great views out the rear yard. And then if you head left, you're greeted by the hall bath with dual vanities. And then you have the main living suite, which has a to die for size walk-in closet and a great attached bathroom with dual vanities. Large walk-in shower as well. So as you walk out onto this amazing yard, I mean, look at how much space is in this patio. This patio is as large as a lot of people's backyards. So you not only have this huge space with a fire pit, barbecue area, plenty of space to set up multiple tables, lounging areas. Put up a hoop, have a little sport court, multiple options here, and just taking advantage of this amazing view. And then you have the lower level where you have this really large grassy lawn space. You can be playing soccer out here, have dogs running around, so much space, whatever you would utilize it for. And see, they even have a tetherball court and a little jungle gym to run around and play on. This yard has so many possibilities, so much space to use, just depending on how you like to live, entertain, or basically just have an entire park in your backyard, all the while taking advantage of these miraculous city light, mountain, golf course views out the back. In addition to the 3-car garage, you also have this RV space on the side, which if you've got additional things that you'd love an RV gate for, perfect. If not, what a great place to put a basketball hoop. Kids ride bikes. You've got this additional storage space, so it becomes a very useful additional space to have in the home. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour today. I hope that you enjoyed all the fabulous features that this home has to offer as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out or have your agent reach out to us. Until then, thanks so much for joining me. Stay safe and have a great day.